Hello loves, and welcome again to this channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy Kenga, and today we are going to do DIY. And I've seen a lot of that grass on Instagram. I'll post that picture there, and I'm going to make that, guys. So I'm going to show you how to DIY and easy get that grass without spending a lot of cash. Like you will spend I spent only 30 shillings. Yes, 30 shillings, and in dollars I think it's $50 to make this grass. So yeah, welcome. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and like and share this video, guys. And I'm rocking these village lines. I'm rocking these lines, and Ashley is here. I don't know what she's doing. Ashley. What's up? What's wrong with you? Hey, let me see your face. Come on.
It's just mine.
The teenage stage is like.
My name is Alison Tony.
Mapengo. So let's go do this DIY, guys. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this. This is the color. I always use this color for my soap. It always turns when it gets oxygen. When you leave this color open, it gets to be color green. You'll see, guys. You see? I hope it will focus. This color is green. It was blue, as you can see this package. It was blue, but due to the oxidization, it became green. And we're going to use a brush, a container to mix our color, and boom, here I have my white color. So this is a white color. I just divided it here, and it's a half a liter. I'm not going to use all of it since I'm just going to paint this green. So let's see the results, guys. Stay until the end of this video so that you can see the result which I'll get of this to make this green grass a home decor, DIY home decor grass. I'm using this white paint.
It's so special. All it feels when I'm with you.
Mix very well.
Things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh. Just so you know, you're mine for sure.
And now I've been starting to apply on my broom.
You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
Now I'm gonna take a little color aside and add it more green color to it to be a little more darker green, cause I want my green grass DIY decor to have two colors, green and darker green. And the darker green, I'm going to apply some parts of these strands of the broom. The tips also, I want them to be darker green. The upper tip of this DIY home grass decor.
I begin to
Now I'm leaving it to dry. Guys, I trimmed it a little bit. You see here, I trimmed this. Guys, you can go check this video out of me making this flower vase, this DIY vase. I will link that video down there in the description box below. You can go watch it, guys, and you can make your own gorgeous home decor vase with this DIY trick, guys. And here is my grass, yo. And this is how it looks.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know.
How do you think it came out, guys? Comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, share and like, guys. Wow, now I have my own DIY green grass home decor. Don't forget to go and check out this DIY video of this vase, guys.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure.